Hello everyone, this is C7, the HOA Homesteader, and today I'm going to also be going into my beehives and taking an inspection. So with that said, guys, I'm going to bring you guys along with me and see what we can find. I went on before I went on vacation, I went out of the country to Colombia for like 10 days. And so I was supposed to inspect that second hive before I left. I didn't get to it. But I'm gonna inspect them both again today and see what's going on. When I got back, it's like, I mean, they're either packed inside or some of them must have died off because the activity level went way down during the time that I saw the hive before my vacation and once I got back. So with that said, guys, let me get dressed and get everything set up. And once I do that, guys, I'll be back with you. So stay tuned. Hey. And I thank you guys in advance for visiting my channel. If you like my content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to leave comments. So y'all guys hang in there while I get dressed and I'll be right back with you. All right guys, think I got everything ready, so let's not beat around the bush and let's get to it. Feet have been on there all this time, trying to remove it. Absolutely nothing in this whole super. What a waste of a few months. I'm gonna pull 2 honey frames out of that one, at least 2. Then I'm still gonna try to get down in the bottom and see what's going on. Okay, that first one I went into, like I said, was no honey in that top super. And then I removed the queen excluder. My thoughts is that during these winter months, I'm gonna give that queen free reign to go from the bottom to that top if she needs the room, if she gets more active before, you know, the winter is actually over, because this is Florida. So I'm gonna give her room to be able to move throughout the entire hive. So off with the queen excluder. I saw brood pattern. I saw drone cells, but I did not see the queen. But I'm kind of happy, and there's plenty of honey in the bottom to survive through the winter, is what I'm thinking. I'm also gonna schedule an appointment with the state inspector in the near future, and hopefully he or she will give me a little bit more advice on the amount of honey that's in there, if it's enough for them to survive. I'm pretty sure it is, but I'll feel more confident with that second opinion. So on to the next one. Let's see what's going on. All right, people, that's it for outside. Inspected both sides. The queen is still laying eggs because there's brood pattern in there. On this one on this side, the brood pattern is scattered. It's not close together. Maybe that has something to do with the time of year, or it could be a possible problem. Got to look into that. But with that said, guys, I'm done out here, and I'll be back with you guys on the patio with closing remarks. Well, guys, that's it. I'm back on the patio after inspecting the bees. And the overview basically is I went inside both hives. Neither of the honey supers have been filled out at all. So I went down to the next one. I did take, I think, like 2 or 3 frames out of each hive. I think I got about 7 total frames inside the cooler that I'm going to try to extract some honey from. I didn't see the queen in either one, but I did see brood, so she's still in there, you know, laying eggs. In the hive that was closest to me, the brood pattern was kind of scattered around. So other than that, you know, they seem to be doing okay. There was a lot more bees inside both hives than I expected, because man, it just wasn't looking good from the outside. Like to see so much activity before I went on vacation to come back to see hardly any. But they were packed in there inside mostly that the bottom box. So with that said, I hope there's enough honey in there for my bees to thrive throughout the winter. Schedule myself another inspection with the state inspector, and I'll go from there. And as you can see, they were very, very calm, very docile, which was the goal back when I switched out the other queen that I had, and then I ended up splitting the hive and having two. So I purchased two queens a few months ago, and both hives was calm, and they came out and inspected around me a little bit, but no one followed me back to the patio at all. If anything, they just followed the cooler, but they're not at the screen door trying to get at me like they used to be. So I'm very, very pleased with that. And with that said, guys, that's it for my bees for today. I know it's been a while since I made a bee video, but hey, it's done. And far as today, I did some gardening stuff too, but I'm going to split these videos. But I'm going to take the time to say this, is that I was been procrastinating around here, and really what I done today took less than 2 hours, maybe 2.5 of my time. And I feel like I got a lot accomplished, because there was little stuff that I should have done, but now that it's done, it was like, man, you should have been knocked this out, because it really didn't take that much time at all. So I know sometimes we're going to have those days we just don't feel like getting out there, but when you get the energy, press on through, because once the food start growing or whatever the goal is, you're going to feel good about yourself. And with that said, people, I thank you again for visiting my channel. You guys have been with C7, the HOA Homesteader, and I'm out. But before I go, let me get back to my model, because I slipped on that a couple of videos. Just because you may live in an HOA doesn't mean that you cannot grow food or take care of bees. And I'm out.